Red Collector here with a unbelievable new knife that I just got from one of my favorite companies, CIVIVI. And I've been reviewing CIVIVI knives for the last couple of years, and I gotta tell you, they keep getting better and better. And this one, like the title says, this is called the Clingman. And you've probably seen about the 2,000 videos already out there. It's normally the title is The Best Damn EDC by Taylor Martin, who's a huge YouTuber, knife guy, and he sort of designed this knife, and my goodness, he did a hell of a job. So, so first off, like all CIVIVI knives, they come very well packaged. So it comes in this box right here, then it comes in this little pouch, as you see right here, and then we open up the pouch, and inside the pouch is this beautiful knife. We got some stickers, we have a cleaning cloth, we have the warranty, which is one of the best in the business. We have a little booklet showing their other knives, and then we have a little, knife logo. And then we got this nice fur-lined or soft-lined case, which you can store your knives in. And if you're like me and you got hundreds and hundreds of knives, it's nice to keep them in their original package, so you know where to find what you're looking for when you're looking for it. So just take a look at this. You can see this is the brown color knife. Now this comes in a lot of different colors. Everyone has different preferences. So this comes in 4 different colors. Of course, it comes in your standard black. It comes in the brown. It comes in burgundy, which is getting very popular lately. It comes in green, but I chose this brown because I really don't have too many browns. And one of the reasons I did this is basically a modern take on sort of like a buck style knife. And, the buck knives, they have a brown handle, but this is a brown micarta handle. But I figured let's go closest as we can with that. So just looking at it unfolded, it's an absolutely beautiful, beautiful knife right there. So we'll get the specs out of the way. This is 7 inches overall opened. It is a 2.99 inch blade. It is 4 inch closed, and it weighs 2.8 ounces. Very, very, very light, smaller knife. This is a titanium pocket clip, and it is a tip-up carry. And there's 2 ways to open this. Now I can only do one, but that's just me. But the 2 ways to open it are, one, very easily, and look at that gorgeous blade, very easily is the ambidextrous pocket thumb studs right there on both sides. And then you have your liner lock to close it, and perfectly centered, by the way, as all of their knives are, with the little logo on the side. And the other way is, it is a front flipper, so you could do that. But for some reason, maybe my fingers are too short or whatever, I have several front flippers and I just can't do them. So that's just me. I'm sure they work fine for everyone else, but that's just me personally. So what a nice knife this is, though. This is a hollow grind clip point shape. Like I said, it's a take on an old-fashioned standard knife. And again, it comes in the 4 colors, and depending on which color you get, you're either going to get a G10 handle or a Micarta handle. So I wanted the Micarta handle. I think if you get the black, you get the G10 handle on it. But I'll leave all the links below, and you can pick, whatever you want. So this steel is something called a Nitro-V. And what could I say? It's beautiful. I've tried it outside, just cutting some rope. Haven't really put it through its paces yet, but this is going to be a very, very daily carry knife for me. It's so light. It's so just quality. You could just feel it, through and through. It's got ceramic ball bearings on the inside, so it makes it very, very easy to open. And again, just look at that knife. I mean, just personally, to me, that old-fashioned style, because I am old-fashioned and old, that style right there is just gorgeous. So, again, copying sort of the old-fashioned buck knives, that's pretty much a traditional knife with the modern mix, basically. That's what they went for, and I think they achieved. So, like I said, there's about 10 million videos out there, and, they get a little bit deeper, I guess, into the specs on it. But, to me, I like to do a quick, short-to-the-point video and just cover all the features. And I only review things that I absolutely love, and I would say I absolutely love this knife. Again, it just feels really nice in the hand. Someone really put the time and effort, even the jipping right there on the thumb ramp. They put the effort into it, for, making it easy really to hold when, if you're using it for any kind of cutting, slicing, trimming, anything like that. So really a quality knife by CIVIVI. what could I say? They make a fantastic knife. There's a lot of knife companies out there, and as a knife collector since I'm a kid, you know, I've pretty much seen them all from cheap to expensive, and this one right there, for the price, you really can't beat it. All their prices are very, very inexpensive, and the quality you can't beat. Like I said, you know, there are knives that cost sometimes 5 times or more than a CIVIVI knife, which in my opinion is not any better. So that's it. So all right, so thanks very much for watching. I'm going to leave the link below in the description, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Take care.